Hello students, in the previous video we have studied about data, which means set of numerical figures conveying some information. Frequency, which means number of times an observation occurs. Observations, that is the individual numbers in the data, and tabulation, which means arranging the data in tabular form. Now in this video we will study about representation of data handling by pictograph. In pictograph, the very first step is collecting information. It means collecting the data of the category you want to represent. It should be collected by appropriate means, like for example, how many fruits were bought. Then comes your second step, that is sorting information. It means using 2 or 3 attributes to sort objects and data. An attribute could be color, shape, size, or any other information that could be used to sort the data. Like for example, we can take different types of fruit as an attribute for sorting data. How many mangoes, how many apples, etc. Then comes your third step, that is representing data in visual form. In this step, choose one symbol to represent the data. Then draw 2 columns that represent category and the data. Then draw the symbols that represent the frequencies. And after completing all the 3 steps, we represent the pictorial representation of data. Now, let's see what is a pictograph. It is a method of representing information through pictures. It is a representation of data using images. It represents the frequency of data while using symbols or images that are relevant to the data. This is the simplest way to represent statistical data. Since they make the use of symbols, pictograph attracts attention. That is, it is an attractive way to represent data. Pictographs are easy to read since all the information is available at one glance. And since pictographs are universally used, they do not require a lot of explanation.
Ma'am, how does a pictograph look like?
Now, let's see how does a pictograph looks like. Let's take an example. A fruit seller purchased some fruits from a whole merchant. In this, the number of fruits to be purchased is your title. It clarifies the meaning of the data represented. It tells about what the pictograph is about. This is at the top of the graph. Then the types of fruit are your data or labels. These are the headings of which the graph is about. Like in this example, types of fruits, orange, apple, mango, banana, pineapple are the labels. Then comes the most important part, that is the scale, which represents the number of fruits. That is, it helps the reader to know how many items each picture stands for. Like in this example, one fruit represents 10 fruits. So, in the orange, there are 5 figures. So, 5 into 10, how many oranges he has purchased? 50. In the same way, there are 4 figures of an apple. So, 4 into 10, so how many apples he has purchased? 40. In the same way, for mango, 7 images are there. So, 7 into 10 is your 70 mango. Then comes your banana. 5 images are there. So, 5 into 10, 50. And finally, the pineapple, 3 images. So, 3 into 10, 30 pineapples he has purchased. Now, let's take an example and see how to draw a pictograph. Let's take an example. The sale of fans on the first 6 days of a week. On Monday, he sold 10 fans. On Tuesday, he sold 16 fans. On Wednesday, he sold 10 fans. On Thursday, he sold 8 fans. On Friday, he sold 14 fans. And finally, on Saturday, he sold 10 fans. And they have given us the scale or the key as one image of a fan is equal to 2 fans. Now, let's see how to draw a pictograph. For this, the very first step is write the title. So, the title in this example is sale of fans in a week. Then comes your second step, that is write the labels. What will be your labels in this example? Your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, that is your days will be your labels. Then comes your third step, that is write the scale or key. That has already mentioned in the example also. The image of one fan is equal to 2 fans is your scale or key. Then finally comes the draw the pictures as they tell us the given number of fans. Now we will be drawing the pictures. See, now see over here how we have drawn the pictures or how we have drawn the images of the fan. Now see, for Monday he sold 10 fans. So 10 divided by 2 because the scale is one image is representing 2 fans. So 10 divided by 2 will be 5. On Tuesday, he sold 16 fans. So 16 divided by 2, 8. So we will be drawing 8 images of fan. Then again on Wednesday, he sold 10 fans. So again what we will be doing? Number of fans divided by 2, that is 5. So we will be drawing 5 images. Then on Thursday, he sold 8 fans. So 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So we will be drawing 4 images. Then on Friday, he sold 14 fans. So 14 divided by 2. So we have drawn 7 images. And finally again on Saturday, 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So we have drawn 5 images of fans over here. That is your pictograph. So hence like this we have completed with our pictograph. Now let's see for the interpretation of the pictograph. The first question is, on which day the sale was maximum? So for this, see, on Tuesday there were maximum number of fans. So the maximum sale will be on Tuesday. Next question, on which day the sale was minimum? So on Thursday there are minimum images. So therefore the minimum sale is on Thursday. Next question. Now in this question it has been said, on Tuesday how many more fans were sold than Monday? So for this, first of all we will calculate the sale on Monday. Then we will calculate the sale on Tuesday and then we will calculate the difference. So for calculating the sale on Monday, there are 5 images. So we have multiplied 5 by 2, that is 10. Then for sale on Tuesday, there are 8 images. So 8 is multiplied by 2, that is 16. Why are we multiplying by 2? Because one fan is representing 2 fans. Now for calculating the difference, what we will be doing? 16 minus 10, that is 6. So the fans sold on Tuesday are how many? 6 more than Monday. Now let's see how to represent the example on a frequency distribution table. In a frequency distribution table, there are 3 columns. First column is of labels. Like in our example, first column will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Second column will represent your frequency, that is number of fans sold. And the third column will represent tally marks.
Ma'am, what are tally marks?
Tally marks are vertical lines which are usually marked in bunches of 5. When the number of items are 5 or more than that, then we make a bunch of that. Like in this, on Monday there are 10 fans. So first of all we will make 4 lines like this. And then we will make a cross like this. From the 5th line we will make a cross. And then again we will make 4 lines. And then again we will make a cross like this. So like this, 2 bunches are there, 2 bunches of 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. Now in Tuesday, how many bunches will be there? 5 3s are 15. So 3 bunches will be there. On Tuesday, we will be making 3 bunches, and then what will happen? In that situation, one single line will be left. Why one single line will be left? Because 15 after that 1 is left. Now for Wednesday, again there will be 2 bunches. Why there will be 2 bunches? Because there is 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So we have made 2 bunches of 5. Then comes your important one, that is Thursday. On Thursday, there are 8 fans. So what we will do, first of all, we will make one bunch of 5. Now, after 5, how many are left? 3 are left. So 3 single lines will be made now. Now in this, nothing will cut. Why? Bunches will cut only when there are 5 tally lines. Yes, 4 and 1 will cut. In the same way for Friday. In Friday, there are 14. So first of all, we will make one bunch of 5. Then again, we will make one bunch of 5. And then after that, what will be done? Since there are 14, so 10 bunches, 10 lines are already made. That is 5 bunches of 2. And then we will be making 4 single lines. Again, these lines will not cut. Why these lines will not cut? Because the 5th line is not there. There are 14 fans. In the same way for Saturday, we have made 2 bunches. Yes. Like this, the tally marks have to be made in the frequency distribution table. So students, in this video, we have studied about pictograph, that is how to represent the data through picture and how to represent that data on a frequency distribution table through tally marks. Thank you. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you.